My name is Shona Pennock and I'm an energy systems engineer at CorPower Ocean. I started working with CorPower in September 2023, just a couple of weeks after the full-scale device had been deployed, so a really exciting time to start. I really enjoy working with a whole range of multidisciplinary teams. Every day for me right now is looking different. Some days I'm running Python code, looking at different wave site studies around the world. Some days I'm speaking with specific engineers about carbon footprinting components within the wave energy converter. Some days I'm also working specifically with the commercial team, looking at how we can apply for different future projects and assisting with writing project proposals as well. Part of my role as an energy system modeller is looking at the best combination of different renewable resources, so not only wave but also wind and solar. We find in Europe that actually wave energy complements our demand profiles really well. So we have much higher demand in the winter months, and then we also have much higher wave resource in the winter months as well. Wave can also be more consistent, more predictable than wind energy, so actually can make a really good addition to our energy systems. I'm really interested in the problem-solving aspects of engineering, and working with innovative technologies like wave energy is really exciting because there's so many problems still, so many research questions still to solve. So I'm really looking forward to continuing to work and looking forward to what the future has to hold for ocean energy. It's such an exciting time.